Welcome to Turbo Talks, your home for powerful car reviews and high-performance automotive content. The Dodge Challenger Hellcat Widebody Liberty Walk Edition stands as one of the most striking interpretations of American muscle combined with bold Japanese body styling. This build transforms the standard Hellcat into a wider, more aggressive, and visually dominant machine that attracts attention wherever it appears. The Liberty Walk kit gives the car its signature riveted fender flares, deep front splitter, extended side skirts, and an unmistakably bold stance that instantly separates it from traditional factory models. Many reviewers praise this edition for its unique fusion of raw American power and dramatic aftermarket design. Under the hood, the Hellcat continues to deliver the performance that made it legendary. The supercharged 6.2-liter HEMI V8 produces staggering horsepower and torque, sending the car forward with extreme force that never fails to impress enthusiasts. Its acceleration is intense, the supercharger whine is addictive, and the widebody setup provides better traction and stability. With the larger tires and enhanced footprint, the Hellcat Liberty Walk Edition grips the road more confidently, offering a more planted feel during hard launches and tight turns. Performance fans often highlight how this combination of power and width makes the driving experience feel more controlled without sacrificing the Hellcat's wild personality. Inside the cabin, the Hellcat blends modern technology with classic muscle character. Bright performance gauges, a large touchscreen infotainment system, launch control, customizable driving modes, and detailed performance tracking give drivers all the information they need to push the car to its limits. The seats offer comfort while still supporting the driver during spirited driving. The interior remains practical enough for everyday use but constantly reminds you that you are behind the wheel of a true performance monster. Pricing varies depending on the model year and the specifics of the Liberty Walk conversion. A standard Hellcat widebody already sits in a high-performance price bracket, but once you add the Liberty Walk components, wheels, suspension modifications, and any custom paint or wrap work, the overall cost increases significantly. Buyers who choose this build typically value exclusivity and want a machine that stands out in a world full of factory cars. The Liberty Walk Edition is not just a car, it is a statement piece designed for people who appreciate unique design, extreme presence, and powerful driving capability. Overall, the Dodge Challenger Hellcat Widebody Liberty Walk Edition offers an unforgettable combination of iconic muscle performance and world-class custom styling. It delivers the sound, speed, and visual drama that car lovers crave while bringing a distinct identity that sets it apart from every other build on the road. If you enjoy deep automotive reviews, high-performance features, and powerful machines like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel and stay connected with Turbo Talks for more exciting car content.